Hello friends, today in this video we are going to check how you can get a replacement from GoPro. If you find that your GoPro is not working properly, have some issues, so you can just get a replacement from GoPro. What is the process, how you can do it, so we will find out in this video. First of all, I'd like to tell you that what I'm facing with this camera. The issue which I'm facing with the camera is basically that whenever I'm keeping the battery inside the camera, so it is draining and it is turning on sometimes like 4 or 5 times a day. I have turned on the feature automatic turn off by 5 minutes, so it is draining less battery because of that. Also with the media mode I'm facing the same issue. The shutter button is turning on the camera while it is not recording, but it is turning on the camera, so this has some issue with automatically turning on and draining the battery. If you have any issue with any of the GoPro like 9, 10, 11, and if it is under warranty, or you purchase GoPro 7, 8, so how you can get a replacement from GoPro? So first you need to go to the website. If you can see, you can go to the website gopro.com/help/contact us. So I'll give you the link in the description, you can check out from there. So you need to fill up a form. So if you can check, there is like hours of operation. You can check 8 to 5 p.m. they are working, so you can contact them at that time only, and you can see the contact us form is there. So you need to fill in this form, product support, order support. If you have purchased any order from this website, GoPro website, so you can directly get an update, order update from this, or you can get a replacement. If you have any issue with the GoPro, you can contact here. So I have contacted here, product support. You need to mention which Hero camera, GoPro camera is having the problem. So I have Hero 9, so I need to mention why, what is the reason of contact. So as you can see, I have mentioned. Then you have to mention first name, last name, contact number, whatever country you are from, you have to first mention the particular country, then you have to write the phone number, email address, then you can submit. So they will contact you via chat or via call. So I have requested for a call back, and I received like within 4 or 5 minutes I received the call. Depending upon the waiting time, they will call you. After that, you will see GoPro will send you an email that you need to upload the documents. So you can see there is the link. You know, to just open the link, and as you can see, the support case is now closed because I have already submitted the documents and I have already received the replacement request. I need to just send it back, the GoPro, and they are going to send me a new unit. So that is the thing. Otherwise, you need to upload the documents here, all the things like its bill, invoice, its serial number, everything you need to upload here, and also one video showing what is the exact issue with your camera. If you can upload photo or video showing what is the issue with the camera. Once you upload those documents, they are going to send you a link in which you need to write your complete address, where they are going to send you a replacement unit. So you need to update that form also, and once that is done, they are going to send you the written label instructions. As you can see, I have already received for my GoPro. So this is for RMA 919579. Like as you can see, this is the RMA form. You know, to take the printout of this form and keep it inside the box along with this unit. You don't need to send any other thing other than this unit. Without the battery, you need to send, and also the invoice you can keep it inside. And after this, you need to paste the written label. As you can see, this is the written label. So they are going to ship it to Singapore. So for this, you need to contact UPS service provider, which is normally doing this thing, like shipping the GoPro from your address to the GoPro Singapore. So I have already requested for UPS pickup. They are going to pick up this GoPro along with all the other documents. So they are going to ship it back to Singapore, and once they receive the item, once the GoPro receive the item, they are going to send me a replacement, a new replacement. And typically this takes around 15 to 20 days depending upon where you are located. So I hope this video has given you some information regarding how you can replace the GoPro. If you found any defect in your camera and you want a new replacement, or you want to get it repaired from the GoPro, so this is the process of doing it. So thank you guys.